We'll guide you through how to make black shadow in Pixellab. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because Pixellab text shadows improve readability and visual depth in designs. Beginners want a simple, step-by-step guide to creating professional-looking effects for banners, thumbnails, and social media posts. Start from your laptop home screen. Locate the search bar on the screen, type Pixellab, and click Open to ruining the application from the results list. Delete the default text if it exists to make sure you have a clean workspace. Tap the text icon and select Add Text to insert new text into your project. Type your text carefully, then tap the Edit option to customize it. Change the font style if needed to match your design theme, and adjust text size so it is clearly visible. Set the text color to a shade that contrasts well with the background. Then position the text on the canvas where you want it to appear. Tap the text layer again to open more editing options. Then open the shadow option to add depth to your text. Enable the shadow effect and change the shadow color to black for a strong and clear shadow. Increase shadow opacity to make the shadow more visible. Then adjust the blur amount to control how soft or sharp the shadow looks. Move the shadow offset slightly to create a natural separation between the text and its shadow. Adjust the horizontal shadow distance to shift the shadow left or right, and adjust the vertical shadow distance to move it up or down. Increase blur for a softer shadow effect, or reduce blur for a sharper and more defined shadow edge. Adjust shadow angle if available to control the direction of the shadow. Check text readability to ensure the shadow does not make the text hard to read. Zoom out to review the effect on the entire canvas and see how the shadow looks in the full design. Fine-tune shadow position for the best visual balance. Confirm the final shadow look when you are satisfied with the result. Tap the Save icon and save your design to device to keep your finished project.